How to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find the apps that you have in your phone. All what you want to do here is very simple. Just scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it like this. And then click on data usage and disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again. Go back and click on the storage right here. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back to the settings on your phone and go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it. And the last thing you want to do is update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.